My name is Stefan, and I'm affiliated to TU Vienna. Today I want to present our project Robonuggets, for which I would like you to envision becoming a collaborative robots expert in a smart factory of the future. So imagine the knowledge and skills of your actual job and the gap that is needed to close in order to get and become a collaborative robots expert. So in Robonuggets, we address these skill gaps by providing training opportunities in form of digital learning content. Our specific domain is robotics, of course, more specific even collaborative robots and physical assistance systems. So we are a four-headed consortium consisting of Festo and Siemens Professional Education, both from Germany, University of Tartu from Estonia, and TU Wien from Austria. So our target groups are thus mainly trainees in initial and continual vocational education and training, as well as academic students. And for these target groups, we provide learning content which is not only digital, it is also interactive, at least mostly, and modular. And it is provided on the guided learning platform of EIT Manufacturing. And I also want you to have and get a better understanding of which knowledge we want to discover with Robonuggets. And there are mainly two. The first one is digital literacy. We teach manufacturing workers on the shop floor and beyond to not only understand and interact with robots, in order to enable them to develop new solutions, new applications with these technologies. But we also, and this is the second one, we address physical and psychological and the ability to physically and psychologically work with these new technologies. For example, safety-related aspects and collaboration with robots. So to sum this all up, I want you to have a glance at our content, at least a fraction of our content. And in the following video, you will see an explanation of the advantages of point blending in robot movement. So I thank you for your attention and enjoy the video.
Thank you, Stefan.
So there's no sound?
Not that we can hear. Did you have some sound involved?
Yes, exactly.
Maybe you
So,
can provide some comments on the images.
yes, exactly. So the first movement said that those hard brakes slow down the movement. And when you have to submit 4 points in order to define the movement of the robot, you better use point blending, because then you can have a quicker and more smooth movement between the points. You don't have to address the obstacle in any way, and you're not only faster, but it is also better for the joints of the robot. So this is basically it. It's a 30-second video, and we have lots of these in our project.